want to show real quick. This is the soft wave of the Remy hair. This is a color 44. A lot of times people are ordering and not sure. They get one that's too dark or not dark enough. This is a 44, which is 50% gray, okay? And then normally you see them on the pictures. When I take the pictures, it has, of course, a good look. The band is sewn just so, and then you fold this over. You know, I don't want you to be thrown by the band. It's sewn in a way so that the hair stretches over and it has a little expanding, because this is a stretchy band to perfectly fit your size head. Okay, you fold these over. Okay, everybody? And you can also put your own headband on top. All right, very good.